Hey guys, we're going to start adding and subtracting integers review. If you will, on your piece of paper, you need to follow me along. You need to pause so you can try the problems on your own before I get the answer on my screen as well. Okay, so you need to be writing this on your own paper. So this is a review of our test that is tomorrow. And so remember, we have our song that we sing when we add integers. And it's same signs, keep and add, different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Remember, that means if I'm adding the same signs, I keep that sign and add. If I am adding different signs, I actually have to subtract, and I'm always going to keep the sign of the bigger number, so that way I'll be exact. The first problems we're going to do are just addition problems, so 9 plus negative 4. And if you think about it, there's 9 positives and 4 negatives. Now remember, positives and negatives cancel each other out. So if I have 9 plus negative 4, a negative and a positive will cancel each other out. So that's 1 canceled, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? We have a total of 5 positive as my answer for that first one. 4 negatives and 4 positives canceled out and left you with 5 negative. We kept the sign of the bigger number. The next one, we have 10 negatives and 15 negatives. Now, I'm not going to draw out 10 and 15, but we can sing our song. Same signs, keep and add, same signs. So we're going to keep the sign and add 10 plus 15, and you should get negative 25. Since they're both negative, there was no positives that actually canceled anything out, so we just added all of our negatives together. So that's a review of just adding. But when we get into subtracting, now I know this looks intense, but all I'm going to do is I want to do an example of the problem. I'm going to draw it out. I may not use the same counters that this did. We're going to do the number line since that is something that will be on your test tomorrow, and then I'm going to actually work the problem out. So number 2 is 4 minus 7. So if I have 4 and I'm subtracting 7, I do not have 7 there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm missing 3. That will leave me with a negative 3 left over. If you use the number line, and we're at 4, subtract 7, so here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And if I start at 0 and you go to 4, from 4 I'm subtracting 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 0, 5, 6, 7, which my answer is again negative 3. If I don't draw it on a number line and I don't use counters or little spacers or whatever we use, then we can just do 4 minus 7. Since there's a subtraction sign there, we do keep, change, change in order to change it to an addition problem. So we keep the first number the same, change the second number, and then change the third number. So that's 4 plus negative 7. Same signs, keep and add, different signs, subtract. That's 7 minus 4, which is 3. And I keep it negative because I keep the sign of the bigger number. I want you to pause, and I want you to try 3, 4, and 5 on your own. And when you bring this back up, when you press play again, I'll have the answers there for you too. So press pause, just like I'm going to do, and then press play when you're ready. Okay. So some of it may be hard to see because my board was messing up, but this number 3 right here, that is negative 2. Number 4 is negative 3, and number 5 is negative 10. And if you look, when you draw it out, when you do your keep, change, change, and you draw it out, what cancels is gone, and what's left over is your answer. On this one, on number 5, nothing canceled because they're all negatives. So when they're the same signs, just like our song, same signs, keep and add, so we keep the sign and add the numbers. Next, we're going to work on 2 word problems, and then we'll be done. So a submarine is situated 450 feet below sea level. If it descends 300 feet, what is its new position? So here's the water at 0. It was already 450 feet below sea level, so that's negative 450 feet. It descends, which means it goes down 300 feet more, and it wants to know where is it now. So if I have negative 450 and I want to go down 300 more, you can do your keep, change, change. Now I want you to pause, try to figure the question out on your own, and then see if you got the answer correct. So you keep, change, change, and that's same signs, keep and add. And you should get negative 750 feet. That's how far it is below sea level. If you did not get that, if you added them instead of subtracted them, like you did a positive, then you need to go back and fix that. This next one I want you to try on your own. It has a few numbers in it, and I want you to see if you can do it before you start watching me do it. So press pause and try it on your own. So a roller coaster begins at 90 feet above ground level. So that's a positive 90 feet. Then it descends. That means it goes down 105 feet. The coaster, that's supposed to say coaster, then ascends another 34.5 feet. And then finally descends 56 feet. At what height is the roller coaster now? So if you need to draw a picture, you can. That's totally fine. But if you need to just work it out, that's what we're first going to do 90 minus 105. You notice 105 is a lot bigger than 90 is. So we're going to keep, change, change. Different signs. We have a negative and a positive. So we're going to do 105 minus 90. Make sure you put the bigger number on top when you subtract. So 5 minus 0 is 5. We can't do 0 minus 9, but 10 minus 9 is 1. It's going to be negative because that 105 is bigger. So far, we are at negative 15, and we've done this one and this one. Then it goes up 34.5 feet. So again, we're going to do this. That's a negative plus a positive. There's a plus sign already there, so we don't need to do keep, change, change. Same signs, keep and add. Different signs, subtract. So we're going to do 34.5 minus 15. Make sure you line up your decimals. 5 minus 0 is 5. Bring your decimal down. I have to borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1. We keep it positive because of the 34.5. So we're right now, since we've done this one, right now we're at 19.5 feet. But then it goes down 56 more. So we are at 19.5 and we're going to subtract 56. Okay? There's a subtraction sign there. We're going to keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. So there are different signs. So that means we're going to subtract that. 56, and we have to put 0.0 because this one has a decimal. Minus 19.5. We can't do 0 minus 5. We have to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. Can't do 5 minus 9. We got to borrow. 15 minus 9 is, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. Is 6. And then 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, is that going to be a positive or a negative? The bigger number is negative. So my answer, my final answer, where it is at the point the question's asking, is negative 36.5. Okay? And that's because we were at 90, we went down 105, we went up 34.5, and we went down 56. Okay? If that last one was a little fast for you, then go back and rewatch it and reset that up yourself. Make sure you study, make sure you understand all of this before you come into class tomorrow. Good luck!